Hi, everyone. Before I get into this presentation, I just wanted to say thank you guys for such an amazing session. I've learned so much throughout this class, and I really appreciate some of the discussions that we've had, and I hope it's been a great experience for you too. And of course, anyone who's looking to open their own business, good luck, you can do it, and definitely feel free to keep in touch. So here's my personal brand presentation. I felt that the best way to present myself was to talk about my pitch, my core, and my canvas. So I'll start with my elevator pitch. My name is Samantha Arasimowitz, and my mission is to utilize capitalism to drive humanitarianism. I am motivated by change and helping others, and I am going to use my platform as an entrepreneur to take what I earn and give back to my community. I will not be satisfied working in a position where someone else can fill my shoes. My dream, my intent, and my purpose is to bring something new into this world and use my canvas to create something wonderful that will improve the lives of everyone within my reach. Now I want to talk about my core, who I am on the inside, and how that makes me a good business owner. I'm results driven and a creative problem solver, so in the world of entrepreneurship, where I'm going to be met with who knows how many bumps in the road, I'll be able to think around them and continue towards my goal. I'm empathetic, which will give me an upper hand as a team leader and a presence in the community. I'm ambiverted, somewhere between extroverted and introverted, which means I get the qualities of both. I can work well individually and in a group, which is exactly what I'll need to do as the owner of my own business and the head of a team. I'm a bisexual woman, and I'm going to own that and actively embrace diversity in my business. And I'm adaptive and ready for change. And finally, my canvas, what platform I'm going to use to take all of these things about myself and turn it into a business. I want to open a coffee shop, specifically a cat cafe. Cafes may seem like such an easy and predictable thing to go for, but they offer so much versatility and creative freedom, and I know that no matter what I create, it'll be mine. Cafes are such a focal point in a community. They bring people together and can provide anything from comfort on a rainy day to a productive workspace. I'm going to establish a safe space, especially for the LGBTQ plus community. I'm going to form connections with local nonprofits and offer jobs and volunteer opportunities. I'm going to operate as green as I possibly can with biodegradable materials, recycling options, free scraps for composting, and hopefully renewable energy. A cat cafe is the canvas that I've chosen because I can make it whatever I want and whatever my community needs. I hope you'll come in to meet some furry friends and enjoy a handcrafted treat. And here are the references that I used to learn about crafting an effective elevator pitch, including showing your passion, editing, and practicing, as well as the importance of making a genuine connection in your personal brand. I'm looking forward to watching everybody else's discussions, and thank you guys again for such a great class.